See, today we'll start for CBSE students. CBSE students, Standard IX, Chapter 1, Number System. So first see what are natural numbers. First see what are natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards till infinite. All the numbers are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Set n. Set n. So here least natural number is 1, but there is no greatest natural number. Second bit, see what are whole numbers. 0 including all the natural numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards, all the numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers. So now you see all the natural numbers are whole numbers. 1 is a natural, 1 is a whole number. 2 is a natural number and 2 is a whole number. So all the natural numbers are in whole numbers, but not all the whole numbers are natural numbers, because 0 is a whole number which is not natural. The question will come, all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but are all the whole numbers are natural numbers? Question will come, all the whole number are all the whole numbers are all the whole numbers natural numbers? The answer will come, no. All the whole numbers are not natural numbers. All the whole numbers are not natural numbers, because 0 is the whole number which is not natural. No, not all the whole numbers, not all the whole numbers are natural numbers, because as 0 is the whole number, 0 is the whole number which is not natural, which is not natural. Clear? But all the natural numbers are whole numbers. All the natural numbers are whole numbers, but not all the whole numbers are natural numbers. Come to second point. Integers. Natural numbers clear? Whole numbers clear? Then come to the point. Integers. So what are integers? See, 1, 2, 3, all the positive numbers or all the natural numbers, including 0 and all the negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4 till infinite. All the numbers are integers. Now you see, all the natural numbers are integers, but not all the integers are natural numbers, because 0 including all the negative numbers, negative integers are not natural. Similarly, all the whole numbers are integers. Whole numbers are 0 in 1, 2, 3 onwards. All these are here. These are whole numbers. So all the whole numbers are in set of integers, but not all the integers. These negative numbers are not whole numbers, are not. So all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but not all the whole numbers are natural numbers. Similarly, all the natural numbers are integers, all the whole numbers are integers, but not all the integers are natural numbers. Also, not all the integers are whole numbers. Clear? So, we got the point. What are natural number, what are whole numbers, and what are integers. Then come to the point. What are rational number? What are rational number? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of a P by Q. The number which can be the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q both are integers, but Q is not equal to 0. Here P is an integer, Q is an integer, but Q is not an integer, because the denominator of any rational number will never be 0. Denominator of any rational number will never be 0. If denominator is 0, it's not defined. So, the number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are both co-prime. That means the common factor of P and Q, after converting all the rational numbers into lowest form, the common factor of P and Q will come only 1. Suppose 5 by 10. Convert into simplest form 1 by 2. So here common factor of 1 and 2 is 1. So P and Q are co-prime, or common factor of P and Q is 1, only 1. No other common factors are there. So, the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and common factor of P and Q is 1, are known as rational number. Are known as rational number. Clear? Now, again you see, 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards all the numbers are natural numbers, and 0 including all the numbers are known as whole numbers, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards, again -1, -2, -3 onwards all the numbers are integers, and the numbers which can be expressed in the form of a P by Q are known as rational number. So, See, we come to the point. The number which can be expressed in the form of a P by Q is known as Q is not equal to 0 is rational number. See, exercise of NCERT book, exercise 1.1, number 1. The question is 0 a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? Give reason. Is 0 a rational number? So your answer is yes, 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number as it can be expressed in the form of P by Q, that is 0 by 1, where P is 0, Q is 1. Already I have told you, any number which can be expressed in the form of a P by Q, that is rational number. So similarly 0 is a rational number because it can be expressed in the form of a P by Q, that is 0 is equal to 0 by 1. Here P is 0, Q is 1. P is 0, Q is 1. Come to second question of NCERT book, exercise 1.1, number 2. Find 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So how to find? First see, listen me mindfully. 3 is equal to, I can write it 3 by 1, P by Q form. Again 4 is equal to, I can write 4 by 1. So between, we have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have to multiply some numbers both in the numerator and the denominator so that we can find 6 numbers between them. So how? Suppose we multiply 10 here. So here 3 by 1, that is 30 by 10. 4 by 1 is equal to 4 into 10 by 1 into 10, that is 40 by 10. Between 30 by 10 and 40 by 10, 6 numbers are there. 6 rational numbers are 6 rational numbers are, right, 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, right, 35 by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 36 by 10, you can write. Clear? 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Then come to next question. Question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So how to find? Here denominators already same. Then multiply something, 3 by 5, multiply 10, 3 into 10 by 5 into 10, we got 30 by 50. Here 4 by 5, that is 4 into 10 by 5 into 10, that is 40 by 50. Write 5 rational numbers between this and this. So 5 rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are, right, 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50, right, 35 by 50. Clear? So question number, this is question number 3. Now write some questions, short questions. See, first question. Are all the natural numbers, whole numbers? Question number 1. Are all the natural numbers or whole numbers? Give one example. Give one example. Yes, all the natural numbers are whole numbers, because natural numbers already have told you 1, 2, 3 onwards, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards. So here all the natural numbers are whole numbers. 1 is a natural, all the natural numbers, 1 is a natural, 1 is a whole, 2 is a natural, 2 is a whole. Clear? So all the natural numbers, all the natural numbers are whole numbers. Second thing, 1 is a natural, also 1 is a whole. See, second question. Are all the whole numbers natural numbers? Natural numbers. Here, no, not all the whole numbers, not all the whole numbers are natural numbers. Clear? Not all the whole numbers are natural numbers, because 0 is a whole number, 0 is a whole number which is not natural. Clear? Similarly, all the integers are natural numbers. True or false? All the integers, third question, all the integers are natural numbers. Write true or false. So all the integers are not natural numbers. All the integers are not natural numbers. See how natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3 onwards. Integers are what? 0, 1, 2, 3 onwards. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 onwards. So here all the natural numbers are here, but all these numbers are not here. So all the natural numbers are integers, but not all the integers are natural numbers, because 0 including all the negative integers are not natural. So all the integers are not natural numbers, it is false. Because 0 including all the negative numbers are not in 0 including all the negative integers are not natural. Then see the next question. See, all the integers are rational number. Write these 3 points. All the natural numbers, are rational number. All the natural numbers are rational, but not all the rational are natural. Similarly, because all the rational number means 2 by 5. Suppose 1 is a natural number, 1 is a natural number, 1 is also one is a natural number, 1 is also rational number, because 1 by 1. But 2 by 5 is rational, which is not natural. So all the natural numbers are rational numbers, but not all the rational numbers, are natural numbers. Similarly, we see all the integers are rational numbers. See how all the integers are rational numbers. Suppose minus 2 or 3, all these are integers. I can say it rational. 3 by 1, minus 2 by 1, p by q1, e by q1. So all the integers are rational numbers. But the converse is not true. All the rational numbers are not integers. See how? Suppose 2 by 3. This is rational, but this is not integer, or this is not natural, this is not whole. So all the rational numbers are not whole numbers. All the rational numbers are not natural numbers, and all the rational numbers are not integers. But all the natural numbers are rational, all the integers are rational, all the whole numbers are rational. Clear? So next exercise 1.2, that is the rational number.